Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. My name is Tiara Afsi from Group 9 for SGH. In this section, I will discuss you about our project. The title is Cubic Heart. So let's start it. About the project, what is Cubic Heart? Cubic Heart aims to monitor COVID-19 several who are in self-quarantine. The Cubic Heart web will be implemented in a local address so that if there are residents who are exposed to COVID, the local RT/RW does not need to control the patient control at all times because the web can monitor the patient conditions such as the patient name, heart rate, and body temperature. When heart rate is weak and body temperature is above 40, the cubic heart will send alert to the local RT/RW, and a buzzer will sound in the patient home. Wishlist the Cubic Heart application will be implemented at patient home. The patient family can see their conditions such as heart rate and body temperature. Next. So this is our component. First is not MCU ESP H260 version 3. NoteMCU is an open source firmware and development kit that plays a vital role in designing your own IT product using a few script lines. We use this NoteMCU for send a code from the Arduino, and then is breadboard. Breadboard is a board or that function to design a simple electronic circuit, and then heart pulse sensor that works using the principle of PPG with its non-invasive method for measuring heart rate by detecting the volume of blood flow in the pulse that is very close to your skin. Next is a buzzer. Buzzer is an electronic device that makes a buzzering sound and it's used for signaling. It uses as a warning. After that is we have a ultrasonic sensor, a sensor that function. We use it to measure the distance of a patient who want the measure temperature. After that, we have a GG96 or non-contact sensor. This is for detect the temperature of a patient without having to touch the object. After that, we have a jumper. Jumper for the wires are the breadboard and our component. Next. Okay, so this is our software. We have four software. First is Android Studio. We make Android Studio for create application mobile. After that is Mendix. Mendix is for the web application. And then ThinkSpeak. ThinkSpeak is a database from our IoT tools. And then Arduino IDE for put the code from the ESP. Next. Okay, so this is our system design. You can see we have a NoteMCU, and then a heart pulse sensor for the record the heart. After that is a buzzer for the alarm, and then this is a ultrasonic sensor, the non-contact sensor, and the breadboard. And these wires will be implemented by a jumper. Next. Okay, so this is our concept diagram. You can see in this cubic heart will be implemented in three sections. First is IoT tools is used for a read sensor. After that, the sensor will be reading to the application and web. If in the web, she have input a data patient and display data from the IoT tools, and after that, display a data, and is the in the application is used for display data from IoT tools, and then will be saved to in a real-time database. So web, we create a web for local RT/RW and the application for the family from the patient. Okay, everyone. So this is our flowchart from the web. The the admin will be start and input the name and address patient, or add the name and address patient who want to suffer self-quarantine. After that, display a data patient, and then see data record patient from the ThinkSpeak or in this database ThinkSpeak. After that is if the data normal, so the admin will be see the data record patient again, and if no, is program it will be in, or the admin will be call the hospital if a patient is abnormal and then is stopped. Okay, next, this is our flowchart of our mobile application. This is from the user family. After first is start, after that is input the username and password. And then if username is and password not true, so yes, and input name password again, or click a button sign in. After that is the user and password is true, display the conditional patient. After that, the system will be stopped. Okay, everyone. So this is our output from our web. We make this web with the Mendix low code application. So this is our page home. This is our page home. Next, this is our patient record for the add the new patient who want to self-quarantine and edit the patient and delete or search. After that, we have a patient of status from the patient record. See in this in this in this home screen, we can see our temperature and the pulse sensor. After that, this is the page of about the project. Okay, everyone. So this is our output from our application. This is our display screen. This is the form of login. User will must be have an account. So if you have an account, so login. If no, you can click the sign in now, and then will be displayed the screen or sign up. After that, after you have an account, see the application will be displayed our data, your name, and your heart rate and the body temperature, and look out for the lookout from this application. Okay, next our demo. Okay, so that's all our presentation from our group. We are sorry for any mistakes. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, so this is our data from the from the IoT. BPM is 85 and the temperature 32 degrees Celsius, and this is the from the our thing speed the same, and then we can see in the mobile application. Okay, the data will be the same. Thank you. Okay, sorry, I forget for this web. So this is our web. This is the home page of this web. And then we can see the patient record of Jenny. And the status will be same. The data status will be same where the things speak. Okay. And then we can see the last page is topic about us. So thank you everyone.